What's going on out there, y'all? Today, man, y'all already seen it from the title. We're gonna be putting on some graphics here on the KFX 450R. It's been a long time overdue. I said I was gonna wait. I was gonna ride it out this year for a little bit. Now it's about that time. Got a new graphics skin right here. I'll show them to y'all here in a minute. First thing first, man, we gotta prep the bike and get it ready. First thing we're gonna be doing is just taking off all my old graphics. The only thing I got up here just the factory stuff. Sticker here in the front and sticker here in the back. All I gotta do is just take them two off, be good to go. I'll probably take this right here off. I don't know if I'm gonna take this off yet. I don't know if the graphics I have covers this up, then I'm gonna end up taking this off. But if they don't cover this up, then I'll just leave it up there. I might end up taking it off anyway. I don't know, y'all. But yeah, that's gonna be the process, man. Taking these old graphics off first. Then I'm gonna clean, wipe the bike down, get it all cleaned up. Then we'll start putting on the graphics. And just in case y'all didn't know, that's what it's gonna be looking like. It's gonna be looking like that over there. The graphics is looking just like my KX 125 graphics. Same number and everything. They can be looking like twins here in a minute, y'all. Let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I don't want to leave this up here. Even if my new graphics don't gotta come cover it up, I'm still gonna take it off. If anybody don't know how to get these rivets off, the way that I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna take a 1/8 drill bit here and just drill a hole through. You see I've done one of them already. Got 6 of them in here. Just drill it all the way through, make a hole, and it'll come right out. You can see the one I just took out was right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just drill the rest of these out. You see it come right off. Strip down now. All I gotta do is just clean her off now. That's about it. As you can see. Now the only thing I'm gonna be doing using to clean this, probably just spray bottle soap and water. Loud car coming through. Spray bottle soap and water. I got some a little bit of alcohol. I'm gonna sanitize it with, just make sure all the dirt and grime stuff is off there. I'm gonna be using Windex also. Windex mainly gonna be for putting the decals on. Well, yeah, let's go ahead and start cleaning it off real quick. Everything's all prepped and ready now. Got it cleaned up, then wiped it down with alcohol also. Next up, it's gonna be putting on the graphics. As y'all can see, I'm gonna let y'all see how scuffed up my plastics are. I done cleaned everything off as clean as it's gonna get too. Scrubbing, none of that comes over there. That's all scuff marks right there for me, how hard I've been riding and stuff like that. A couple times I done rode it. It's hard riding, man. That's all that is, though. All right, let's go ahead and get to the process, man. The graphics right here, man. This is what they looking like. Oh yeah, they ready. Gonna be just like the KX 125. I ain't even asked for this right here, but they did it anyway. Through the Pitman Racing up there for me. For anybody that don't know, that's my name or my last name anyway. I got like 3 of those stickers. There's one there, one here, and there's another one somewhere. I think it's underneath here. Right there, a little smaller one there. Y'all see it? And this one's gonna have the Monster Energy on it. KFX 450R. Got the fuel injection going on right here, y'all can see. excited. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to start getting it on. I forgot to mention earlier, y'all, these are the items I'm gonna be using to get my graphics on. Keeping it wet just so I can move it around, get the bubbles and stuff out. I'm gonna be using Windex. Squeeze right here, of course, squeezing it out. And a heat gun, AKA blow dryer. Now, I gave a little bit more of a tutorial on my previous one when I was printing on my KX125 here. Here I'm on my quad. I'm just gonna run through real quick. And basically, you pretty much just keep it wet till you get it in place. Then start from the middle, work your way to the outside. Use the heat gun, heating it up, getting the bubbles out at the same time. You'll see me in the process as I go through doing it. Just remember, work your way from the inside to the out. This is it, y'all. Final results, man. Long hard work as y'all seen. And this thing turned out looking good. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all had to see it in person. I don't think this camera do no justice. So you ready? I'm over here thinking just like how I was when I first did my dirt bike. I don't even want to take it outside and get it dirty now. Man, she right though. She right. Oh yeah. And I got the, I ended up getting 3 of these stickers right here. Putting racing, I got on the front. I only put one on the quad. I put another one here. Hey. Hold up, though. Man, this is it. I'm picturing what these two right here was gonna look like together. Looking like twins. They really doing it now. You ready? Alright, man, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I think that's it. That's all I need to share. I'm trying to think what the hardest piece was. It seemed like it put on. These right here wasn't too bad. These pieces right here was really easy to put on. This is easy. A lot of it was easy. Like all these stuff right here was easy. I think the only hard pieces to me that was this very firm piece. I don't know, for some reason that was kind of hard to put on. This middle piece right here. Everything else was easy, and these ones wasn't even really hard. It was just, I don't know, just a little bit more challenging than the other ones. But if you take your time, do like how I told you, using your heat gun and squeezing it from the middle towards the outside, we'll have no problems with it at all. Y'all, this is what the 2008 KFX 450R is now looking like. Stay tuned, man. More mods coming to it. I ain't forgot about you back there. Got the twins out here now, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. It's been your host, Beastie Drama. Catch y'all on the next one. Go home.